Shineworld. This is my manufacturer for the extruder line. So my name is Mr. Kevin from Shanghai Shineworld. Today let me introduce one completely extruder machine to you. So firstly, this is the payoff. Currently we pay off 800. Okay, let's go. And this way, based on our customers' offer, is 120 plus the 50 extruder to doing double layer and single layer and a strip insulation and sheathing. This is a 50 horizontal extruder line, and this is 120 cross head and movable, and suitable for the smaller size and the bigger size. When produce the smaller size, we change another small cross head, and then for the bigger size of the cable, we choose another one. This is a touch vinyl, Shanghai Shineworld and Siemens touch vinyl, HMI. Electric cabinets and cooling water through. After insulation or jacketing, and our customers also want to produce is nylon jacketing. So this one is 65 extruder, and the raw material is nylon. Cross head, cabinets, warm water through. This line, we also equipped the accumulator, long-term accumulator, because, follow me here, we give them is not a single layer water through, it's a double layer. And the double layer is for the whole line, can produce is a smaller size of the cable and also for the bigger size of the cable. For smaller size of the cable, we can use accumulator to store when take up production and accumulating store the cables. So use this double layer. And this is meter cutter. This one, the signals also through to the HMI. We can show the total length through the HMI. Okay, that goes through. Cooling water through. And caterpillar. Caterpillar here is suitable for the bigger size of jacketing line. Use the caterpillar. If a smaller one, we use the capstone. And here is we equip the two kinds of the take-up. This is a dual spooler take-up. The suitable size is 630 to 800 mm for the smaller size of the cable. And then if we produce the bigger size, we use the column type take-up and transverse device. Here is column type take-up. Take-up, this one is a new design. It's for our customers, it's no need to make the foundation, because for our base is a very big thickness of steel plate as a foundation, and only use the expansion screw bolt to fix the floor. So can avoid it's very convenient to make installation of the whole line. Okay, this is the whole line. We offer to our customers 120 plus the 50 and plus the 65 extruder line. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.